How to delete your Gmail account permanently. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your Gmail account permanently. So if you want to delete your Gmail account permanently, you have to follow this step. First step is that you have to go to your Google account and sign in with your Gmail account that you want to delete. So just go and open up your Google account and you have to tap on the profile and go for the one of the Google account that you want to delete here. And after selecting in the left sidebar, you have to click on that and go for the source personalization or data personalization here. So just go for that and go for the manage your Google account. So on your manage your Google account, here you have to go for the data and personalization here. And you can scroll down to the section to find the section as download, delete or make plan for your data. So you have to scroll down and you have to search for that. So here you can see that download or delete your data or delete your Google service. After that, you have to click on the delete or Google service or delete your account here. So you have to just click on the delete or Google service and you may be prompted to enter your password again for security purpose or they will verify it's you. So you have to apply your verification here. So just go for the biometric process or any other thing. So here you can see delete a Google service. So a Google account over many surveys, some of these surveys can be deleted from your account individually. So you have to find the Gmail in the list of these and you have to just go for the delete option. So after that, once you have tap on the delete option to continue to use your Google services with this account like Google Play, Docs or Calendar, you will need an address to sign in with. So it can't be all Gmail address. So here you have to write your Gmail address. You may need to provide an alternative email address to continue using the other Google services here. So you have to follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your Google account. So write your email address here and go for the send of verification code. So you can't use the gmail.com in the alternative email. So you have to send a verification code here. So after that, you will be successfully delete your Google here. So after that, you will be successfully delete your Gmail account. So this is the simple step how you can delete your Gmail account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank